Chapter 12, Linear Programming. Title दीजिए Linear Programming. Now there is no formula in this topic. Some certain areas, bounded, unbounded, feasible region, infeasible region, optimal solution. The words make a difference. Optimal solution, that means either it is maximum or minimum. Corner points, satisfying inequality. When every inequalities are satisfied, you draw a proper graph. Proper graph, that means you got a corner point. Corner point indicate maximum or minimum. So now for the program of first instruction of inequality, that is called constraint. Constraint, that one is indicate what? So that indicate first quadrant. So graph is lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. So you have to first of all check for first inequality is what? X plus y less than or equal to 4. So how to check? So inequalities are indicate only direction. Keep in mind, inequalities are indicate only direction of graph. Either towards to origin, either away from origin. It is indicate two planes, either upper half plane or either below lower half plane. So x plus y equal to 4. Always you are taking any line. First term is 0 of x and second time y. When you put x equal to 0, what is y? When you put y equal to 0, x is 4. Write on this one. X plus y equal to 4. First time x 0, second time y. Earlier I said that inequalities indicate direction. So first find out what is the direction of x plus y less than or equal to. So put x and y equal to 0, right on. In x plus y less than or equal to 4, we get चलिए put xy equal to 0. So 0 plus 0 equal to 0. So either is 0 less than or equal to any one of them equal. So 0 is less than 4. Is it true? So right on. It is true. Graph towards to origin. Graph towards to origin. Always check the direction of graph. For graph, we want 2 point. Every time you have to take first time x0, second time y0. Inequality, if graph is passing through the origin, in case of, then select any other point than origin. चलिए अब graph draw करेंगे. So now the graph. That is the x and y axis. X axis, y axis. Now the previous point of the graph is what? X plus y equal to 4. Point is 4, 4. So somewhere over here. Let me consider This one is the graph of x plus y equal to 4. That is x plus y equal to 4. So first point is A40. Second point B0. This is the position of 0, 0. Now look at this. This line are separated 2 points. Either above this graph or below this. And graph is strictly in first quadrant. X and Y is positive. So what is the suitable area? This is the suitable area. Do you understood? Now, what is the graph? The feasible region is what? So this is our feasible region. This is the, okay. So this is our feasible region. This is called feasible region. And these are the point A, B, and C. These are the corner. Feasible region exists, that means you got optimal solution. What is optimal? You can decide maximum or minimum. Now, what is the value of Z? Tell me, what is the value of Z? 3x plus 4y. Very good. So now, Z equal to 3x plus 4y. This is Z equal to 3x plus 4y value. 2 point corner points. Z equal to 3x plus 4y. This is corner point. First point 4, 0. Put 4 over here. 4, 3 is 12. Second 0, 4. 16. And third one is 0, 0. Now you are finding which point, maximum or minimum? Look at this. Maximum point. So maximum point is what? 16. Draw this table. This kind of example asked in 3 marks. This one is asking 3 marks in board exam. That one is the simple one. चलिए table complete. Write down at point 0, 4. At point 0, 4. Value is maximum 16. Chale, complete. Now next, write down the question number 2. Question number 2. Maximum Z equal to 4x plus y, and constraint are given. 2 constraint. X plus y less than or equal to 50 if it is not readable. x plus y less than or equal to 50, 3x plus y less than or equal to 90. And remaining two are indicate quadrant. So tell me which quadrant it is. First quadrant. So make sure this is the indicate that you have to draw a graph in a first quadrant. We are finding maximum. So first we are finding what? Graph of x plus y equal to 50. Second is 3x plus y equal to 90. So make it graph for that. So first one, write it. X plus y equal to 50. So first time x0, then y50, second time y0, then x50. Now always find out the direction. This is we draw a line. Now decide that direction. So direction are decided with respect to whom? Origin. With respect to whom? So either it is towards or either it is away. You can check orally. Look at this. Put directly 0. So 0 less than 50. Is it true? So it is towards story. Yeah, baby. Put the value. 0 plus 0. 0. 0 less than 90. So both graphs are towards to origin. Now write that. Put x equal to y equal to 0 in x plus y less than or equal to 50. We get 0 less than 50. It is true. Graph towards to origin. Graph towards to origin. Second, 3x plus y equal to 90. Read. 3x plus y equal to 90. So first time x0, then y is 90, then y0, x is 30. So now put x equal to y equal to 0 in 3x plus y less than or equal to 90. We get 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 less than 90. It's true. Graph towards to origin. Graph towards to origin. Chalo, complete. Now look at this, observe this value. Which value? X value, 50, 30. So when you draw the graph, margin of rakhe 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. Okay. On y-axis, that is 50 to 90. So 10, 20, according to this. Okay. I will put random. You don't put random. Okay. Do you understood? X is remain that 30 and 50, y is 50 and 90. Draw the graph. X-axis is what? Bolo. 30, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay? And Y is 10, 20, 30, 50, 70, 80, and 90. First one is what? X and Y 50, 50. So now X and Y is 50, 50. That one is X plus Y equal to 50. Now look at this, that direction. Is it towards to 0? Please don't write. देख लीजिए. This is the direction towards to origin. Now second one is what? X30 Y 90. X30 Y 90. So now X30 Y 90. This is the line. बोलिए what is the equation of value? ग्राफ का इक्वेशन बोलिए. 3x plus equal to 90. Clear? Now what is the direction? That is also towards to. So now what is the common? This one is the common portion. So if this one is common, then that portion is indicated by dark line. This is your graph. So now this is called corner point. Which are the corner point? First, second, third, and fourth. Now fourth point you have to find according to the elimination method. First one is 0, 50. B is 0, 0. C point is 30, 0. What is D? 20. Complete? Please don't take long. Now, according to this, make it table. Corner point. How many corner points are there? 4. First, second, third. चलिए corner point. Corner point. What is Z? बोलिए value of Z is what? 4x plus. So now first point 0, 50. 50. Point 0, 0. Point C 30, 0. 120. And point D 20, 30. 1. So is it maximum? So maximum at which point? 30. Okay. This one is called feasible region. Which region? Feasible region. Write down. Feasible region. चलिए कंप्लीट। लास्ट वर्ड लिख लीजिए। एट पॉइंट C30 at point C30 maximum value is 120. Maximum value is 120. Next question. Please check question. Minimum z equal to minus 3x plus 4y. Minimum z equal to minus 3x plus 4y. Constraint are x plus 2y less than or equal to 8. 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. And both are lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. So x greater than or equal to 0, y is also greater than or equal to 0. So first we can easily find, tell me what is the direction of graph. If it is less than or equal to L, last term is positive, then we can always say that is towards. Okay, last term must be a positive. If someone give you a negative, then it is away from which. Keep in mind. So first one, let x plus 2y equal to 8. Procedure is remains always same. First time x0, y4, y0, x8. Now put x equal to y equal to 0 in x plus 2y less than or equal to 8. So 0 plus 0, 0 less than 8. It is true. Graph towards to origin. Graph towards to origin. Second, 3x plus 2y equal to 12. So one time x0, then y is 6, second time y 0, x is 4. Now put x equal to y equal to 0 in 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, we get, चलिए दोनों वैल्यू 0 रख दीजिए, 0 less than 12, it is true graph towards to origin, graph towards to origin, चलिए make it graph. For that distance is either 1 1 1, either 2 2, 4 8 4 6. Okay. First one, that is origin 0 0 2 4 6 8, gap of 2 2 4 6 8. चलो first graph. Next one is what? Zero 4 8 0. X is 8, y is 4. Now, what is the graph? Bully, what is the equation of graph? X plus 2y equal to 8. X plus 2y equal to 8. Now look at this. Direction is what? Towards to origin. This one is the direction. चलिए ड्रॉ नहीं करना है, देख लो आप. Second one is 4 and 6. X4 Y6. X4 and Y6. X4 Y6. So this is, what is the equation? Equal to, now what is the direction? Towards to origin. So this is the area. So now area of the graph this one is the area. Now corner point is what? Corner point 0 4 B 0 0 C 4 0 And what is the corner point? 2 and 3. This one is what? Visible region. Visible region. Focus is live color. Khobro live ma. First one. Shall you make it graph? Corner points are 4. First, second, third, and fourth. Now the values. Corner point z equal to, tell me what is z? Minus 3x plus, and you are finding minimum value, right? Now first 0, 4, 16, b 0, 0, value is 0. Third 4, 0, minus 12, 2, 3. So which one is minimum? Minus 2. Draw the graph properly. पता लग चले मन मान दो. Draw the graph properly and make it table. Now write the last line. At point 40, minimum value is minus 10. Minimum value is minus 12. Complete? Head on the next one. Write the equation. Maximum z equal to 5x plus 3y constraint 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 15. Five x plus 2y less than or equal to 10. Then quadrant is indicated first. So this is the hint. You have to draw the graph in only first quadrant. चलिए question complete. Okay, first one, do the same procedure that you are done in previous example. Always take it as first time 0, second time y0. 3x plus 5y equal to 15. x0, y3. y0, x5. Now put 0, 0. Put x equal to y equal to 0 in 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 15. We get put 0 on both places. 0 less than 15. It is true. It is true. Graph towards to origin. Graph towards to origin. Second, 5x plus 2y equal to 10. Five x plus 2y equal to 10. चलिए first time x0, y5, y0, x2. Put x equal to y equal to 0 in 5x plus 2y less than or equal to 10. We get 0 less than 10. It is true. Graph towards to origin. Graph towards to origin. Complete? चलिए हो जाए तो बोल दें. Do not draw the graph. Okay, now the foregraph. First one, origin 0, 0, 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to कहाँ तक है? X-axis, look at this. 5 and Y, both are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. चलिए ऑब्जर्व कीजिए. फर्स्ट वन इज x5, y3. x5, y3. तो फर्स्ट ग्राफ इज x5, y3. What is the value of graph? बोलो. 3x plus 5 equal equal to 15. So second one, 2 and 5. 2 and 5, x2. So that one is x2 y 5. What is the equation of line? 5x plus 2y equal to. Now what is the common area? That one is the common area. Yes or no? So value is this one is the common area. First point, second, third and fourth. So these are the corner points 0, 3, 0, 0, C2, 0, and tell me what is point D. 20 by. Make sure you have to do all the simplification. Okay. In exam, you cannot directly put this boundary. You have to simplify and show the procedure. Okay, how can you get 20 by 19 and 45 by 19? Okay. Chaliye, draw the graph. Corner points are 4. Point. What is that? 5x plus 3y. 5x plus 3y. Now points are 0, 3. Point B 0, 0. First answer is 9. Second is 0. Third one 10. And last one 20 by 19, 45 by 235 by. Now we are finding what? Maximum. So maximum is what? 235 by. So maximum at which point? At point D. Mention that is a feasible region. Now draw the graph and make it table. If it is finished statement, this kind of example are always time consuming. Do it at last in exam. Okay? You are talking about 20 by 19 and 45 by 19 directly. In exam, you have to, it takes time. That is okay, fine. Okay, complete. Next one, number 5. Write down the question. You don't want to study? Okay, that's all.